welcome to today's video. Long time no video, right? I know, I'm sorry guys. So today, if this is your first time, you're definitely welcome. Do not forget to subscribe to fully join the fam. So today I'm back at you with another hair video. As you might have seen in the title or in the thumbnail, I'm going to be turning my straight hair into a deep wave hair using this crimper. On the pack it says hair curler or hair iron, but they call it crimper on the streets of YouTube and Instagram. So I bought this crimper about crimping iron. Let's just call it crimping iron because crimper sounds kind of weird. So I bought this crimping iron about 2 months ago, and I only opened it to check if it was working. I've never used it, I have not tried it, and I don't know why. So I bought it from Wig Essentials on Instagram. That's where I basically buy all my hair products from. There was another one for about 22,000 naira, and this one was about 10,000 naira. And Wig Essentials is in Lagos and I'm in Ibadan, so delivery to Ibadan was about 2,000 naira plus me picking it up from the pack. So in total I spent 12,000 naira on this curling iron. So let's open it to see how it looks like. So this is how it comes. This is exactly how it comes because I've actually never used it. It has some Arabic writing here, which I obviously cannot read. So yeah, I'm just going to bring it out. This is my first unboxing video. I'm going to call it an unboxing video. It sounds professional. So this is how it comes, and it has a note inside. Oh, not notes. It has some instructions. Okay, I'm struggling with this unboxing video. It's a little bit heavy, but not so heavy. And I was skeptical about buying this because the difference between 22,000 naira and 10,000 naira is a whole lot, and I'm like, is this one fake or what? But I checked the reviews on YouTube. I checked some people that have used it before, and I realized it was good. So this is it. I've not even started using it. I want to spoil it. Oh, I shall. So the wire is quite. I suck at styling hair on my head, so I'm going to be using my mannequin and my wig stand to do the job, and I'll be back to show you. I'll show you some of the steps in doing it, and I'll be back. Bye guys. So this is the finished look. Immediately after I finished, I just wore it, but I don't really like how the top is looking. So I plugged my hot comb and I want to, but I just wanted it to flatten the closure a little bit. But I don't really want it to touch the curls. This looks so bomb. Like, I'm so excited. Wow. So I can go from straight hair to maybe, I think this is giving me more of like loose wave vibes than deep wave, but I really love it. So that took me about 30 minutes to 45 minutes to do. So my review on the product: the crimping iron has a temperature gauge that goes from 140 degrees to 220 degrees. I used it on 220 degrees throughout the process of this video, and it was really hot. If you notice, during the time I was doing it, you could see like smoke at some point. But before I did that, I applied hair serum and heat protectant, and because of how hot it was, I didn't have to like hold on to one particular cream for like a long time. After about 5 seconds, I was moving. Although this hair is kind of becoming, the ones I did first are kind of losing it. It still has the pattern, but not as deep as the ones I just did up front, and that's because this hair is very like straight. Even when I curl it, it does not retain its curls a lot. So that's why I use the firm hold to at least make sure it retains its curls, and it's actually not doing badly. So when I was done with the video, I found out the use of this lock. So when you're doing your crimping, you don't have to hold it on with all your energy like I was doing. Straight, you were not meant to. So what this does is, once you put it on the hair like that, you lock it so it stays intact till you're ready to remove it. So instead of using all your energy to press it down, you already made the job easier for you. So in case you are getting this, I already gave you that tip, or you might have known, I don't know. So yeah, that's that. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it. I was really excited about this because I've had this thing for months and I just left it there. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.